Welcome to Slow English. Bashkali Sea Beach is a beautiful and relatively undiscovered beach located in the Bashkali Upazila of Chattogram, Bangladesh. Known for its long sandy beach, sandy shoreline and peaceful atmosphere, the beach is a great destination for nature lovers and those seeking a quiet escape from the city. Unlike the more crowded Cox's Bazar, Bashkali Sea Beach offers a more serene and natural environment. The beach is surrounded by green hills and forest, adding to its scenic beauty. Local people often visit the beach for picnics, sunsets, and walk along the shore as it is still developing as a tourist spot. Visitors can enjoy the calmness and purity of nature. If you are looking for less commercialized beach experience in Bangladesh, Bashkali Sea Beach is definitely worth a visit. Thanks for watching.